This tutorial review will show you how to fix contact poster not working on iPhone. Follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. Open your phone or contact app and tap on My Card. And the first solution is update your poster. So tap on Edit and again tap on Edit, and now you can update or change your poster from here. And the second solution is make sure to add your mobile number or email address here and then check the issue. The third solution is tap on contact photo and poster and here enable name and photo sharing. Then tap on share automatically and here select contacts only. And after following these solutions, hope this problem will be fixed now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.